For this one is the subject plus verb plus object, right? In Chinese, we also have the structure and in the same as like English do. And for example, so actually you are in American, right? So you can just change the verb into another one to tell us, to tell others our location. So it's just 在. Yeah, 在 means to be located. Right here. Be located. And plus a place word. So it's subject plus 在 plus place word to share our location. To share, I am in China and you're American, right? So American in Chinese you say 美国. America. 美国. Yes, if you want to tell me I'm in America, you can say 我在美国. That's right. 很好. Okay, so now maybe can you have a try to introduce your name and the location to me? Yes. Huh? That is right. That is right. So maybe can you introduce your friends and your friends' location to me? Yeah, you need to introduce that is right, but you need to introduce their name. For example, 我是 Dora. You forgot to tell me the name. Okay, so now maybe I can give your challenge has upgrade. Okay, so now can you introduce your name and your location and your friend's name and he or her location to me? Total 4 sentences. Yes. Yeah. That's right. 很好. Okay. How about your friends? That's right. Actually, you have a very good pronunciation, so no need to worry about this. Have more confidence. Okay, if you are wrong, I will correct you. No worries. And then now, this is so America is your place, and then for my country, I will say 中国. 中国. Yes, that's right. So for example, I can introduce myself. So I will say 我是 Dora. 我在中国. Okay, so now maybe let's have our conversation much more complete and more complex than the first time. Still, I will start our conversation first. So, 你好. 我是 Dora. 我在中国. Yes. 好，他是 David. 他是sorry， 他在中国。That's right. 好 okay, so now have a change still. You start our conversation first. 你好，我是 Dora. That's try. 我在中国。他是 David. 他在中国。Now you can see I'm getting more and more fluently now. 好 Okay, so this is the sentence structure we learned today. Any questions? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。